Video. I'll start with the third unit, calculus. Here I'll discuss about the derivatives of some of the functions, followed by second order derivatives and higher order derivatives. So first we'll have a recap on the derivatives of some functions which were studied in class 11. So we know that d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Then d by dx of, that is the derivative of 1 by x raised to n is minus n by x raised to n plus 1. Then we have the derivative of the exponential function e raised to x is e raised to x. Then d by dx of log x is 1 by x. Then we have the derivative of log x to the base a. This is nothing but log x to the base e by log a to the base e. So this is equal to 1 by x log a. Then we have d by dx of a raised to x. It is a raised to x log a. Then the constant function d by dx of constant c is 0. Now let us take two functions u and v, where u and v are functions of x. Then d by dx of u plus or minus v is d by dx of u plus or minus d by dx of v. Then d by dx of the product of u and v is calculated as v into derivative of u plus u into derivative of v. Then the derivative of u divided by v can be found as denominator is v square and in the numerator v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx. Now we'll see the derivative of composite functions. So if y is a function of z and z is a function of x, then dy by dx is equal to dy by dz into dz by dx. Now we'll see the meaning of second order derivatives. So we know that if y is a function of x, then the derivative of y is given by dy by dx and it is equal to, denoted as f dash of x. If we take the derivative of this dy by dx, then it is called the second order derivative of y. So d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d square y by dx square and it is equal to f double dash of x. Say for example, if let us say y is equal to x raised to 10, then dy by dx is equal to 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1, or it is equal to 10 into x raised to 9. Now if we differentiate this function again, then that is called the second order derivative. So d by dx of dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 10 into x raised to 9. So d square y by dx square is equal to 10 into 9 into x raised to 8, or it is 90 into x raised to 8. So if y is equal to x raised to 10, then the second order derivative of y is 90 into x raised to 8. Similarly, we can have higher order derivatives. So if y is equal to f of x, then we know that dy by dx is equal to given by f dash of x and d square y by dx square is f double dash of x. If we want to find the derivative of this function, then it will be d3y by dx cube, that is f triple dash of x, and so on. Like this, we can find the derivative of the functions one by one as the order increases. Now we will see some practice questions. Find d square y by dx square if y is equal to x raised to 4. So it is given y is x raised to 4. To find d square y by dx square, first we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of x raised to 4. We know d by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. So d by dx of x raised to 4 is 4 into x raised to 4 minus 1, or it is 4x cube. So d square y by dx square will be the derivative of this function. So it is d by dx of 4x cube. So this is equal to 4 into d by dx of x cube is 3x square. So this is equal to 12 square. Next question, find d square y by dx square if y is equal to x square plus 5x plus 2. So first we will find dy by dx. dy by dx is nothing but d by dx of this function, x square plus 5x plus 2. So this is equal to d by dx of x square is 2x plus d by dx of 5x is 5 into d by dx of x. So it is 5 plus d by dx of 2. It is a constant term. So it is 0. So dy by dx is 2x plus 5. Now d square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of this term dy by dx. 2x plus 5. So this is equal to d by dx of 2x is 2 into d by dx of x. So it is 1. So 2 into 1 plus d by dx of a constant term is 0. So this is equal to 2. Next question, find d square y by dx square if y is equal to e raised to x. So this given y is equal to e raised to x. So dy by dx is the derivative of e raised to x. We know that the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. Then d square y by dx square is d by dx of dy by dx, we got it as e raised to x. So this is equal to e raised to x. Next question, find d square y by dx square if y is equal to x raised to 5 into e raised to x. So here we have to use the product rule. So we know that d by dx of uv is equal to v into du by dx plus u into dv by dx. So here u is x raised to 5 and v is e raised to x. So dy by dx is equal to e raised to x into d by dx of x raised to 5 plus x raised to 5 into d by dx of e raised to x. So this is equal to e raised to x into 5x raised to 4 plus x raised to 5 into e raised to x. So this is equal to e raised to x is common, we can take it outside, into x raised to 5 plus 5x raised to 4. So this is dy by dx. Now d square y by dx square is the derivative of this function. Again we have to use the product rule. So it is x raised to 5 plus 5x raised to 4 into d by dx of e raised to x plus e raised to x into d by dx of x raised to 5 plus 5x raised to 4. So this is equal to, here d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. So e raised to x into x raised to 5 plus 5x raised to 4 plus e raised to x into 5x raised to 4 plus 5 into 4 into x raised to 3. So this is x raised to 5, d by dx of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4. Then we have d by dx of 5 into x raised to 4, which is nothing but 5 into d by dx of x raised to 4. d by dx of x raised to 4 is 4x cubed. So again e raised to x is common, we can take it outside. E raised to x into x raised to 5 plus 5x raised to 4 plus 5x raised to 4 plus 20x cubed. So this is equal to x cube is also common. So we can take x cube e raised to x into x square plus 10x plus 20. So this is d square y by dx square. Next one, find d square y by dx square if y is equal to x into 1 minus x the whole square. So again we have to use the product of two functions. So dy by dx is equal to, so 1 minus x the whole square will keep as it is and then differentiate x, d by dx of x plus, now we will keep x as it is and differentiate 1 minus x the whole square. So this is equal to 1 minus x the whole square into d by dx of x is 1 plus x into d by dx of 1 minus x the whole square is 2 into 1 minus x. So we have to differentiate this 2 into 1 minus x and then differentiate this function. If we differentiate this function, we will get minus 1 into minus 1. So this is equal to 1 minus x the whole square minus 2x plus x square. Now let us simplify. This is equal to 1 minus 2x plus x square minus 2x plus 2x square. So this is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 1. Now d square y by dx square is equal to d by dx of 3x square minus 4x plus 1. So this is equal to, when we differentiate this, we get 3 into 2x, so 6x minus 4 into d by dx of x is 1. So minus 4. So d square y by dx square equal to 6x minus 4 when y is this function. Next question, find d square y by dx square if y is equal to x raised to 5 into log x. Again, it is a product of two functions. So dy by dx is equal to log x into d by dx of x raised to 5 plus x raised to 5 into d by dx of log x. So this is equal to log x into 5x raised to 4, because the derivative of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4, plus x raised to 5 into derivative of log x is 1 by x. So here we will have x raised to 4. So this is equal to x raised to 4 is common. Let us take it outside. X raised to 4 into 5 log x plus 1. Now let us find d square y by dx square. So this is equal to, again it is a product of two functions, x raised to 4 and 5 log x plus 1. So 5 log x plus 1 into d by dx of x raised to 4 plus x raised to 4 into d by dx of 5 log x plus. So this is equal to 5 log x plus 1 into the derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cubed plus x raised to 4 into d by dx of 5 log x is 5 into d by dx of log x. So it is 1 by x, 5 by x plus d by dx of 1 is a constant term. So it is 0. Now let us simplify. So this is equal to 5 into 4 is 20. So 20x cube log x plus 4x cube plus, here it will be x raised to 4 into 5 by x. So it is 5x cube. Or this is equal to x cube is common, we can take it outside. X cube into 20 log x plus 1 plus 9. So d square y by dx square is equal to x cube into 20 log x plus 9. Next one, find d square y by dx square if y is equal to log x by x. So dy by dx is, so when we have division of two functions, we have d by dx of u by v is, v square will be in the denominator, v u dash is nothing but is a derivative of u minus u v dash. So when we have y is equal to log x by x, then we have to find the derivative using this rule. So here v is x, denominator we have x square, and the numerator v into d by dx of log x minus u is log x, v dash is derivative of the denominator. So this is equal to x into 1 by x minus log x into 1. Since derivative of log x is 1 by x, the whole divided by x square. So this is equal to 1 minus log x by 12. Now we will find d square y by dx square. This is the derivative of this function. So this is equal to, denominator will be x square the whole square, and in the numerator we will have x square into d by dx of 1 minus log x minus 1 minus log x into d by dx of x square. So this is equal to x square into, here d by dx of 1 is 0 minus d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So it is x square into minus 1 by x minus of 1 minus log x into d by dx of x square is 2x. The whole divided by x raised to 4. So here it will be minus x. So this is equal to, here x is common, we can take it outside. So x into minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 log x divided by x raised to 4. So here x by x raised to 4 we will get x cube. So this is equal to 2 log x minus 3 divided by x cube. Next question, find d square y by dx square if y is equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So again it is of the form u by v. So we have dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x the whole square. Here 1 minus x into d by dx of the numerator minus numerator into d by dx of the function in the denominator. So this is equal to 1 minus x into 1 minus of 1 plus x into d by dx of 1 minus x is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x the whole square. So this is equal to 1 minus x plus 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x the whole square. So this is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus x the whole square. Now d square y by dx square is equal to 2 into d by dx of 1 by 1 minus x the whole square. So it is nothing but minus 2 by 1 minus x the whole cube into minus 1. Since here x is minus x, we have to multiply it with minus 1. Since we know that d by dx of 1 by x raised to n is minus n by x raised to n plus 1. So here it is d by dx of 1 by 1 minus x the whole square. So it is minus 2 by 1 minus x the whole cube into minus 1. So this is equal to 4 divided by 1 minus x the whole cube. Next question, find d square y by dx square if y is equal to 2 plus 5x the whole raised to 5. So first we will find dy by dx. So dy by dx, first we have to consider this as a single function and differentiate it. And then we have to differentiate the function inside the bracket. So dy by dx is 5 into 2 plus 5x the whole raised to 5 minus 1 into d by dx of 2 plus 5x. So this is equal to 5 into 2 plus 5x the whole raised to 4 into here d by dx of 2 plus 5x is 0 plus 5. So into 5. So this is equal to 25 into 2 plus 5x the whole raised to 4. Now d square y by dx square is equal to 25 into 4 into 2 plus 5x the whole cube into d by dx of 2 plus 5x. So we have to consider this as a single function differentiated. So we get 4 into 2 plus 5x the whole cube into d by dx of this function. So this is equal to 100 into 2 plus 5x the whole cube into d by dx of 2 plus 5x is 0 plus 5. So it is 5. So this is equal to 500 into 2 plus 5x the whole cube. Next question, if y is equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 9x, find d square y by dx square for x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So first we will find dy by dx, then d square y by dx square, and then we will substitute x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3, and accordingly find d square y by dx square. So dy by dx is equal to 3x square minus 9x. When we differentiate minus 9 into x square, we get minus 9 into 2x. So minus 18x plus 9. Then d square y by dx square is equal to, when we differentiate x square, we get 2x minus 18x, we get minus 18 plus 9, it is 0. So this is equal to 6x minus 18. So for x is equal to 1, d square y by dx square is equal to 6 into 1 minus 18 minus 12, and for x is equal to 3, d square y by dx square is equal to 6 into 3 minus 18, it is 18 minus 18, 0. So when we are given y as a function of x, now we know how to calculate dy by dx and d square y by dx square. Similarly, we can also calculate d3y by dx cube and so on. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.